Left front fender repair. We're going to fabricate a patch panel here. Here I just wanted to get the contour going from the pinch weld up on the fender. With the fender joggle marked onto the sheet metal, I'll go ahead and first make the bend with the brake, and then once that's completed, hand form the radius over a dolly. With the piece formed the way I want it, a 1-inch dolly seemed to fit the radius real nice. With the piece secured and aligned, I'll remove the clecos, use our Sharpie marker and X-Acto blade again to mark the cut line. After removing the fender, simply lined everything up again and then just began tack welding. Once fully welded, I let it cool for a little bit and then went ahead and blended the weld. I skim coated Duraglass just over the weld bead to help waterproof, and then I'll sand it. Once happy with sanding the Duraglass, put some epoxy primer on it in preparation for doing the rest of the bodywork.